Hi guys, welcome back to Just Dalton World. Today I have a new video. So I found this DIY slime kit, which is very little and it looks really cool. So I just want to review it. So let's see. So you can open it like this. Whoa. Whoa. It's close. What's so close? Oh, it's packaging. Whoa, this packaging looks so cool. It's like slime. Okay, so we got a measuring cup and we are going to be pouring the water in and putting it in ours.
You have to get to the side of the table, stand up, get off the table, get off the chair, get low.
My dad is helping me.
And pour it to 1/3, get low, so you can see it. There you go. Pour it slowly until you have 1/3 of a cup.
I have a third.
Cutter, is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a third, it's a third, it's a third.
Okay.
Do you guys think this is a third?
Okay.
Okay, let's pour it in. Whoa. Whoa. Went all the way to the top.
Now what do you do?
Cover the cap and shake it for 3 minutes. Bro, that's a long time.
Mm-hmm. So how do you time 3 minutes?
Okay, can you get a timer?
How many seconds in it?
I'm starting. Then we have to wait for 20 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes.
No, it says 20 minutes.
You wait after you shake for 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. It says 6:31 on the clock.
If I go to 6:34, I can do it.
Keep shaking it.
I'm gonna fast forward. For 3 minutes, we shook up, and we are going, guys. If you guys didn't hear, we are making DIY slime from this DIY slime kit. We shook it, and it looks actually pretty cool. It looks like slime, and it's the next steps, the final step. Let's stand for 20 minutes, and the slime is done. We will show you guys the slime.
Why don't you just keep it in front of the camera for 20 minutes and do a time lapse?
Why?
So you can see it change in the camera.
Okay, my dad said we were gonna do time lapse on this baby. So let's just put it right here. Then let's do time lapse. Okay, let's do it. Guys, it's finally been 20 minutes. I am so excited to reveal. Let's see. Oh, this is hard. I'm actually kind of scared of what it is. What's in? What's the slime gonna be like? Oh my god!
What?
It's slime!
It's flume?
Bruh.
Oh, that's hard to get out. That's hard to get out. Okay, yep, that's slime.
That's literally slime!
Ew! So icky.
No, stop it. Oh my god. Guys, this is the slime. This has a bad smell to it. But we got slime, guys. Oh, that's so cool. Hope you guys like this video. And, oh, my hands are messy. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. I think I can't even touch the stop button. Okay, bye guys.